Hi guys, my name is Kay and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be unboxing a package that I received from Dior. So if you want to see more, then please keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Keisha. I am a Pinay Ukrn and I am based here in Derby. I do random videos about my journey, how I became a Ukrn, and some random videos like unboxing and haul videos. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So as you know, if you've been subscribed to me, I have been trying to find free samples. Mahilig ako sa mga free na sample ba, di ba? I've been looking everywhere for samples. So hindi na ako nagtataka na if one day baka ma-scam ako sa mga samples. But I have received several samples. So naka-receive ako ng I think yung YSL na foundation. I've received some perfume, yung mga sample sizes na maliliit. So, I have a couple of them. So, I might show you kung meron pa akong pictures ng mga samples na nakuha ko. But so far, medyo marami na rin akong nakuhang samples. And today, I received a sample from Dior. So, ano lang siya eh, hindi ko alam, siguro dahil targeted ads. Kasi lagi akong nag-online shopping, lagi akong nag-online browse sa mga online websites, yung mga e-commerce. So, it could possibly be that, since nga mahilig ako mag-shopping, ito yung mga ads na lumalabas sa akin. So, sa Facebook ko lang siya nakikita. Just browse through your Facebook, minsan makikita nyo. I think I've received one from Fairy. Naka-receive ako ng Fairy na dishwashing tablets. I received Lenore, yung pellets na laundry freshener. So, I've got that. And what's good about it is sometimes you get free coupons. So, may mga vouchers kayong makukuha along with the package, like the one that I got from Aussie. So, I got a sample, plus I've got a voucher. I think that's worth £2. So, it's not bad kasi you get to try the product, and if magustuhan mo yung product, then makakabili ka. Mabibili mo siya since they've given you a discount. So, excited ako kung ano to. Kasi I think I've signed up for 2. I'm not sure what that is. So, open na natin siya. So, it comes in this white box. So, ano siya? I think it's Royal Mail. Royal Mail nga. So, whistle through Royal Mail. So, ayan siya. So, inside the box is another box. So, may box siya sa loob ng box. So, it says here, Miss Dior, new fragrance. So, inside, oh, dalawa nga. So, I know I've signed up for 2. So, I got a card that says that they're pleased to reveal their new fragrance. So, Miss Dior, mas makamayaman, di ba? Although it's just a sample, at least you get to try it. So, if magustuhan mo, then you know what to buy. Kasi, I bought Chanel number 5. Medyo strong yung scent niya. So, I didn't get the chance to try it before I bought it. So, nakikita ko Chanel number 5. So, gusto nila. So, binili ko. So, hindi ako masyadong natuwa. At least, maliit lang yung binili ko. So, with these samples, at least, matatry ko muna yung mga scents before I buy the full size. So, dalawa siya. So, they said that they're introducing this new one. So, this is their new scent, Miss Dior. So, maliit lang siya. I'm not sure how many mils is this. It's 1 ml. Kadikit siya. May mabango siya. Maliit lang siya. Konti lang siya, siguro mga isang spray lang to or dalawa, but still you get to try and you have free stuff. So yeah, so Miss Dior, and I think this is for men. So, kung basa dyan, Sauvage. So it's for men. So at least sinana nila in one package. So yeah. So, I will get to try it. Sometimes, on the card, they have like QR codes for you to do a review of the sample that they gave you. So, sometimes ginagawa ko yung review, but since it doesn't have one, and it doesn't have, oh, it says here, we invite you to discover them and leave a review online. So I can review them online. So that's the least you can do for them giving you the samples. So I think marami pa, and I'll try to do unboxing videos. Pero minsan kasi hindi na ako makahintay, and if isa lang yung package mo, do I have to wait till dumami siya, di ba? Parang excited ka nang buksan yung package. So I've also got this in the mail. So I'm not familiar with this brand, Mugler. It says Alien Goddess. So they've sent me a sample as well. So ganun lang din, 1 ml lang din. So it's this one. And it smells so good. Bango siya. So I have a lot to choose from. So ito, Mugler. So yeah, ito yung sinasabi ko na meron siyang QR code sometimes. Then you'll get a complimentary gift if you purchased something. So 55 pounds and up. So mabango siya. So I've got that. And as I mentioned earlier, yun nga, meron akong na-receive from Ariel. So I've got this. So this is the Unstoppables in Wash Booster. So I received this, naka-sachet lang siya. Also, I received something from Ariel. So, eto siya. So, Unstoppables. So, it says in Wash Scent Booster. So, I'm not sure if this I'm not sure if this works like a fabric conditioner, but they're beads. So, na-open na siya. So, yan. So, I've also got that. It comes with a voucher. So, that's what I was telling you about. So, may voucher siya na 2 pounds for Ariel. Sayang kasi kabibili ko lang. Ito din yung binili ko. I should have saved 2 pounds. So, anyway, sa susunod na lang. And 1 pound for this one. So, I've also got... So, hinanap ko yung mga samples just to show you. Kasi hindi ko sure kung may picture na ako. So, I had this one. So, these two are both from YSL. So, ang nakuha ko lang talaga is ito. It's the All Hours foundation. So, hindi na ako masyadong nagpa-foundation ngayon kasi yung weather dito, parang nakakaganda siya ng skin. Although, my skin is not at its finest kasi kauuwi ko lang galing shift. So, medyo mapakong dugyot. Pero, pinilm ko na to kasi parang hindi ko na siya makalimutan. So, I've got this YSL All Hours na foundation, and I got this Libre. So I think it's the scent brand. Akala ko Libre kasi libre, binigay nila for free. So no, I checked in the website, Libre talaga yung name ng scent. That's that. And I've also got this. So medyo mga bukas na yung iba. So I've been using them. So this is the Elizabeth Arden na 8-hour cream. So, it's a balm. It has 8 uses. So, pwede siya sa kamay, pwede sa kung saan-saan. So, I've tried it sa kamay, and medyo sticky siya ng konti, but it does the job. It keeps my hands hydrated. Then, I also got a sample from Estee Lauder. So, diba? Puro nang hindi ko ma-afford. Kasi kaya, kunin natin yung mga free. So, eto, Estee Lauder na Advanced Night Repair. So, maganda to. Actually, isa na lang. Isang gamit ko na lang siya. And this one, I've also got this one. I think it's for the eyes. So, hindi man ako masyadong hindi man nagiging puffy yung mata ko. Dark circles lang. So, tatry ko pa din kasi sayang. So, yan. And then, also, nakuha ko din to, always. So, binigyan nila ako ng, I think, 3 pieces yata. Alam ko 3 pieces, yun or isa lang. Or they just gave me the voucher. So, I still have a voucher to 50 pence. So, it's not too bad. Ito naman, body form. Coupon lang yung nakuha ko dito. So, 1 pound coupon for body form extra liners. So I also got this Aussie 3-minute miracle reconstructor. It comes with a 2 pounds coupon na ginamit ko na to buy the full size ng sample. So I think that's it. So ang cute-cute lang kasi makaka-receive ka ng sample. You get to try the items and you can get to decide if you want it or you don't. So yun. So yun lang yung video ko for today. Sana nagustuhan nyo. I know it's not interesting to others, pero gusto kong i-share sa inyo that you could get free stuff, free samples over the internet. So just be mindful na ang binibigay yung information is address lang. Dito sa mga items na nakuha ko, address lang yung hiningi nila sa akin. So you are not gonna be asked for your phone number kasi they will mail it, they'll send it through the post. So makikita mo na lang siya dyan sa mailbox mo. So, yan lang yung video ko for today. Sana nagustuhan nyo. If you like videos like this, please hit the like button. Comment down below if may mga samples pa kayong masasuggest or if you have tried these stuff and may nagustuhan kayo dito sa mga samples na pinakita ko. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!